You know, it's coming down a little bit. We're actually supposed to potentially get blizzard-like conditions this weekend. At least going to have a storm starting basically in maybe a few hours. Sorry. In the next few hours, it could come down pretty good. If we do get 7 inches of snow, 6 or 7 inches, I probably won't get out of snowblowing this time. I'll probably have to run the snowblower. I figured I should show these, let's see, Valentine's Day cakes here. Not too bad just yet. Still coming down. You can see across the river pretty good. And it sounds like we're maybe going to expect like 50 mile-an-hour winds tomorrow. I mean, if it's not too bad to the little area that I like to do my ski run on, then I'll try to ski on it. You know, because it's supposed to stay, you know, like down into the teens, lower 20s. Wow, traffic's going even slower.
What I was shooting at was the assumption of time of day.
There you go. A little drift formed around the car. Snow's pretty much flowed. It's very cold outside, that's what it is. Whew. Lots of pine needles in the drifts too. Anywho, yeah, it didn't get as bad as they said it might. Sorry. It only got down to like 30 miles an hour, you know, up to 30 miles an hour. That's about 2 or 3 foot deep, you know, here, drift here and there. It's not bothering some people, or some critters around here very much. Yeah, my car there. Snow drifting onto it. Oh, I'm heading back in. That's what I'm doing. Oh my goodness, this is deep snow right here. Anyways, I'm heading back in. Feels a lot nicer out of the wind here. Yep, it is definitely too cold to hang out outside too long. One spot finally just pulled itself on over. Needs to be shoveled out. Some more, I think might be Dad's footprint.